Fuck reworks and quit.
Alright, we're back.
Another hell day.
Another great day. Decided to help a friend out. Try to do a CV axle.
It sucked ass.
And the strut bolts stripped and snapped, so that was fun. But now...
when in doubt, use a grinder.
Cut it in half. Now we're trying to drop the tranny in the Silvia. Got all the bell housing bolts out. We just gotta do the cross member ones.
We gotta do a rear main
and the
seal.
drive shaft off. But we gotta do
clutch.
Rear main seal, clutch, and in order to get the rest of the shavings out from tapping for the return. So, you know, wish us luck. Hopefully we don't die. And if we do...
yeah, we need to get a lift. Hey, we have a lift.
We have a lift, we just can't use it. Big Scott dog.
Dude,
Doesn't let it happen.
A pry bar somewhere.
Now he's currently losing it, looking for tools that he had.
Yo, I sold the
10 seconds
golf
ago.
cart today. Sorry, reworks. We let go of the golf cart today. Big profit.
Big profit. Yeah, we went to Harbor Freight, got a fat tent because it's supposed to rain all weekend. Where's the rain?
I fucking found it.
Found the tools.
Let's drop this trans, bitch.
And now we're about to drop the trans, boys. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so attempt number 35. Here we fucking go. The transmission!
We're recording my death on the
Yeah, fucking live footage of it falling the fuck on me. Alright, lift the front of the trans up. One, two.
I'm hitting the piece.
Come on! Without.
Oh, my head.
Fuck. Let's lift it up together. One, two.
Hold on, I'm not there.
We just have to lift it up a little bit. Just get the jack under. What the fuck? Okay, right there. Hold it. Hold on. Can you hold it right there? Right there. Yes.
Thing is gonna hit. Oh, there's a rock in my back. Oh. We need a garage.
Alright. This is stupid.
What the heck is that?
What the fuck is that? Okay, make sure it don't fall. Yes. It's working.
Oh. Now what are we gonna do? Just full send it forward?
Oh shit.
What's going on?
What are we hitting?
Go for it. Keep going.
Yeah, make sure that fork stays. What the fuck are we hitting?
I think we're there.
No, Pato. Push the ass end over. Oh, hold on. Ow, what is sharp? This is... Fuck you, Sylvia.
What's the problem?
Yeah, if you got Rick to give you a garage, you fuckers wouldn't have to lay on the ground.
Yeah, whatever. Or if your car would get moving.
Don't be using my car as your excuse, loser.
Yeah, we
We did it! I literally just want to throw it.
This is the world's hardest oil pan in the SR20. It sucks with the cross members.
Things mint, no shavings. Look at all that.
Oh my god, bro.
There's no way she was leaking. She would have leaked like a sippy. Okay, you should take some, I think I'm gonna take to it. Oh, brake cleaner? Yeah, and then we're gonna clean that up and then we're gonna get it installed. You're offended. Good news is the diesel's mirror came in and we can
Nobody
put the
cares
grill
about
on.
the diesel, alright?
The diesel's the best. Roll core, die,
Who's here
brother.
for diesel, huh? The Incest Brothers?
We might have just bought an Altima. We bought 2 more cars. It's chaos. The ratchet strap carry rig, folks. Okay.
Why would we do that?
Huh?
Why would we take that off?
So we get to pull it around. We're on the subframe. How are you gonna get this through there? Stupid. Wasting my time. I have parts now. I'm just kidding.
I'm tired of you.
Pull that through.
And I'm pulling it out here.
I think I'm stuck. Hold on. Don't pull too hard on that manifold.
I know it's an eBay, but it's not for me.
Yeah. Who knows? Budget.
The budget builds.
Budget builds are real.
Who wants to pay $500 for a ribbon?
Not me. Not yet, at least.
Soon.
Yeah. Upgrade to diesel.
Why? So you can get smaller?
Bigger. Dude, come on, man. Feed the sucker through.
Look, man, as long as you don't squat it.
I ain't squatting. That's stupid. No offense to the boys. But I don't like squat.
Let me start it now.
So now we're screwed.
Never have any time.
No. Trying to think. Where I want to run these bolts from. Wish we'd have left the alternator off. That's the one I went to last time.
Why would you run bolts?
Well, I was thinking
Oh,
if
you're
we did
running
a chain,
chains now?
it would be easier to run. It's easier to run a chain,
Yeah.
but start looking and thinking instead of jerking. Okay, so take that strap and run it back here, right here, and bring it to me.
The hook side and this side still?
Yeah. We'll come back when we have it hooked up. Around 10 hours of us hooking this thing up.
Alright, we're back. So, little update on the Silvia. As the last clip you guys saw was us trying to reinstall it. Here it is currently, if I can get the camera footage right, there we go. Here it is now, it's out of the car again. We had issues with shifting and whatnot. It was getting stuck in first, grinding in reverse. So it was just all kind of a crap show. We thought it was a synchros for a little bit. I was so blown, I thought I was gonna have to rebuild the whole trans, whatever. I thought we were going to. Spent all that money to rebuild. I mean, it's only like $140 for a rebuild kit, but we have not messed with transmissions, and I was not trying to learn how to do that. So, you know, thought that's what it was. Turned out we just had the whole transmission not really all lined up too great. Because, I mean, now it shifts perfectly fine out of the vehicle. So, I mean, we're just going to roll with it and hope for the best that it does work again. And we actually have a new clutch, a spec stage 1 clutch that came with the car when we purchased it. Brand new in the box. But unfortunately, in order to get that to work, I have to get a new flywheel. Because one that's on there, I think, is a 300ZX Nismo flywheel. And it just doesn't line up to that. It's too, I think it's too small. I don't know. When I took it out, I don't really remember. It's been a minute since I took the flywheel. But we got a new one for that. It was like $500. Ordered it. Whatever. But that's the update on this car. Tranny's back out, you know. Luckily, this time we got to use the lift. And so that made it much easier than just jacking it up and whatnot. That's a little update. Transmission's back out. I had a heck of a time trying to figure out the wiring for why the 175 amp fuse. I know it's a common problem. It keeps it kept on blowing for me, so I just ran a 80 amp inline fuse. I fixed some of the alternator wires that looked like they were chewed up, and now it works. All the electronics work perfectly fine. But yeah, other than that, just hopefully after getting the tranny back in, finished tuning it, now it idles and stuff, but it's still getting a little too much fuel. And I gotta see, because I don't know if I just can't hear the blowing off, or I don't know. We just have to see. Check for maybe boost leaks again, because the last one we found was leaking out of the blow-off valve itself, so always fun finding that bull crap. But yeah, I mean, that's all, man. Hopefully getting this back in, hopefully within the week, depending on when we get the flywheel. But, you know, hanging in there. So excited and hyped to hopefully drive it within a week or so. Get her on the road, get her plated. Let me know what you guys think a name should be for it. I mean, I don't know what plate I want to put on it. I don't know what name